Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the tailgate motor actuator on a 2012 Ford Escape. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Now these Escapes have a so-called power button operated tailgate, so you can separately open the top portion, only the glass, or you can leave the complete tailgate. If your Escape has an issue that both of those buttons don't work, then most likely you have a problem with burnt fuse or wiring towards the tailgate. But the most common problem is that you can open the glass portion but you cannot open the complete tailgate. So I will show you that now. So pretty much if you click on the button right here underneath, you'll be able to lift the top portion. Okay, and there's the button right here as well, which is supposed to open the complete tailgate. And if yours just clicks or it doesn't make any sound at all, then most likely your problem is the bad tailgate motor actuator. Now first thing what you have to do, you have to open up this tailgate somehow so you're able to access that actuator, and only way to do it, since you can't lift up the tailgate, is to open up the top portion. And what we'll do next, we'll try to pop out this plastic panel on the top, and that way you'll be able to squeeze your hand in here and manually open, unlock that tailgate. Okay, so to do that you'll want to use something like a flat screwdriver just to get under this plastic panel and just try to pretty much pry it out all around. See, there's a couple of these plastic pins inside here, so what you want to do, you just want to pry it out all around, and that way you'll be able to squeeze your hand inside here to manually, let's call it, override that button. Okay, now I will try to record this. Hopefully I'll be able to squeeze my phone in. Okay, now here is your actuator. You'll have to squeeze your hand deep in below it, and you'll have to locate like a small lever, which you will have to pretty much lift up to be able to open up that lift gate. Okay, here it is. Okay, once you do that, you'll be able to lift up the tailgate and continue this project. Okay, so I have it opened. Once I remove that actuator, I will show you exactly which part you have to lift up. But for now, you have to completely remove this panel. So to do that, there are 4 Phillips screws. So okay, let me zoom out. One is here, one is here, one is here, and one is here. So remove those. Okay, so these are the screws. Like I said, 4 of them. So once you have them out, you can just pretty much pull that panel down and off your way, and now you will have enough space to work here and to remove that door actuator. Okay, next thing to do would be to remove these 3 screws right here. For this you'll need the Torx 27 T27. So this is the socket you will need. So remove those guys now. Okay, so once you remove these screws, your actuator will be completely loose. You can just pretty much pull it out. And next thing to do would be just to disconnect 2 wires. So there is one here and one here on the other side. Now to do that, there's like a small clip on top of this one here, it will just push onto it and pull it out. I'll have to use both of my hands, but it's quite easy to do. And the other one also has a small clip right here on top of that, so you also want to just click onto it and you see pull it out. This one will be the same thing. Yeah, for this one I'll have to use both of my hands. Okay, and that's it. This is pretty much the piece you need, so it's not that hard to remove it. You'll have 4 of Phillips screws, 3 of Torx 27 screws, and you'll just have to pop out this panel and unplug 2 of the wires. So one is here on this side and the other one is right here on the other side. Yeah, once you know what you're doing, you can get this out in like 10 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.